Hello! At welcome ulit sa Kusina ni Mrs. O. I'm so excited to do this recipe with you because it reminds me when I was starting out as a chef. Maybe that was 1997, I think? 97 or 96 when I used to even join bazaars, no? But during that time, they hardly sold pesto bottles. Actually, I normally make my own pesto, but we have this bottled one. So sabi ko, I'll use it. Then, somebody also gave us sun-dried tomatoes. So, this is my sun-dried tomato pesto dip. I guess circa 1997, when I was joining Bazaar, I'll put it in those microwavable containers. And it's 3 layers. So, since wala akong magandang bowl na see-through, I'm actually using ice cream cups. During that time, when you would buy sun-dried tomatoes, bibili mo lang yung sa Santis yung dried. So, normally, sinusoak mo siya sa water and then you try to saute it a little bit. But right now, you can actually buy bottled. It makes it easier nowadays. So here, madali lang talaga to. Super. As in madali lang. The only reason why I want to show you, because I think it's nice for Christmas. I'm sure marami sa inyo magkakaroon ng mga bisita sa bahay, magko-host ng parties. So this is a good dip to do, appetizer. And then, lalagay nyo lang sa ref and you're just gonna cover it. So, I think it's just nice to do. Para sa mga friends ko na nangungulit, kung kailan ko ito gagawin ulit, gayahin nyo naman ito. Marami kasi humingi nito as Christmas gift, but to be honest, I haven't done it in a long, long time. The house of my mom does it. Her cook does it for her. My sister does it, but we don't sell it anymore. We just make it and we serve it to our guests. So sa mga pupunta dito, of course, ito na yung serve namin sa inyo. So this one, still pretty big in slices. So you'd wanna slice it to make it more tad-tad. There. Tad-tad lang siya. Dati pa, pag ginagawa ko yung costing, bibilangin ko pa yung sun-dried tomato. Ika-count mo pa yan. Kasi parang one sun-dried tomato at the time was 16 pesos or something. Kasi nga it was imported. Nobody was doing sun-dried. And then I tried drying my own tomatoes. Mahal din. Actually, you can do it with a dehydrator, pero ilang hours naka-on. So there. Nakatad-tad na siya. I wash my hands, ha. I'm just gonna use this. I think it's good just for one, no? Or let's just do one. Yun. So, gano'n lang siya. So, there. So, basically, what you will do is you will try to level it off. Okay. There. Level. Yan. So, you level it off. Again, I'm not making fresh pesto. I'm just using bottled. But feel free to use fresh. So, here. So, halos walang cooking. There you go. There. Yun. So this one, we just gotta whip it together. Come. Bakit ka pumulong? Bakit ka pumulong? Adelina, gusto mo yung cream? Natutulog pa. So, basically, of course, life will be easier if there's a mixer. So this one, you will just mix it up together. Gano'n lang kadali mo. Pero napakaganda ng color. Pang Christmas, red and green and white. Paskong Pasko. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of cream. Let's wait for the cheese to be really smooth. So that's what we're doing. That's why we continue to mix it and work on our muscles. Yun. So yung spatula ko. I don't understand. Adelina, what just with me? And just put it there. Open our ever reliable sky plates. Crack. I haven't done this in a long, long time. In fact, before, pag may nag-order sa akin, they will send me their containers. And I would actually just layer it there. Kasi nga, syempre pangit yung packaging ko. I was starting out at the time. I will just use the microwavable container. Tapos ibibenta ko sa mga bazaars. But, of course, that was a long time ago. I'm excited because I think my husband never tried this. Actually, the first time trinay niya, sarap na sarap siya sa bahay ng mommy ko. Tapos sabi niya, sarap nito. Hindi niya alam na yung recipe na yun galing pala sa akin. So, first time na yun, ako yung gagawa. Na-try niya sa house ng mom ko. And there you go. Here is our sun-dried tomato pesto dip. It's skyflakes. But feel free to use any crackers ha. Your favorite crackers. Pwede rin baguette na tinotoast, yung French bread, yung tocini, you can use that. But it just so happens, I just wanted something simple, quick to do. No cooking. Feel free to also use your own pesto, but since meron akong bottled pesto, why not? So enjoy this sun-dried tomato pesto dip topped with cream cheese.
It's good. It's my last taste test for today.
Pretty good. Thank you. See you soon here at Kusina ni Mrs. O.